That thing is not even right.
What is it doing?
No, it's good.
It's not going yet. I think like once it hits that black thing, it'll start sparking.
I think you want to take it, go like this. And put some air in that thing.
Let it go.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that will not go.
I'll let it go when it
Don't let the paper catch on fire.
No, you don't want that.
Oh no!
Well, good thing he's nice and tall. There's a different wind thing going on up there.
Shoot.
There we go, go.
Oh, go,
it's working.
Shoot.
Pick it up, pick it up.
It's working. Now let's let it go.
Let it go. No, go straight up, dude. Okay, there we go. You see that? It's getting bigger, isn't it?
No.
No. Oh wait, it might be filling up. Yeah, there. It has to be.
It's almost working.
Oh.
That thing sucks. That's probably why you gave it to us for free.
Well, maybe you're supposed to drop it from a taller place. Oh,
No,
wait,
just
no,
let
then
that
it'll
heat
just
like
fall.
should just like take it.
Oh, fair. Are you touching it? Yeah.
It's full of air.
Hold that other bottom side. Hold the other, like, the little ring. Here we go, here we go. Once,
We
don't
like
pull
push
tight.
it up like a thrust. What?
Is it going?
Freaking let go of it. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it'll go.
Oh crap. I hope that doesn't land on the neighbor's house.
Go.
It's like full of air, but it just doesn't have enough to float.
Maybe if it was like warmer outside or something.
The
I think
dynamite.
that's what it needs to be. It needs to be more. It's too humid.
And the moisture in the air and stuff. It's heavier.
There's too much moisture in the air for it to go.
Oh!
Going so fast.
No, come on.
That thing is
No,
actually
there's not too much moisture in the
It's only
air.
like halfway like past the car, so it's gonna go so long.
So slow.
I know. Oh, it's gonna speed up though.
No way! That is so
there it
cool.
It's like tank.
Keep going.
No, come on!
What if it pulls
It's going.
We can go get it, dude.
Holy crap. That thing's going for a ways.
Are you supposed to put some string? Did it come with string or something?
Holy crap, that thing actually worked pretty good.
No wonder he gave it to you. He didn't want to light it. I hope it goes out before it actually lands. That thing is...
Holy smokes.
Oh my gosh.
You can't even see it anymore. Oh, it's behind the trees.
I'm going to drive around the corner if you want to come.